Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a RAM 2500 hood emblem. To begin, gather your essential tools, including a heat gun, some strong fishing line, and a reliable adhesive remover. Next, ensure the area directly around the emblem is perfectly clean. Finally, apply painter's tape carefully around the emblem's edges to protect your truck's paint from any accidental scratches during the removal process. Now, gently heat the emblem with your heat gun for about 30 seconds to soften the adhesive. Be careful not to overheat the paint. Then, take your fishing line and carefully slide it behind the emblem. Use a sawing motion to cut through the softened adhesive, working slowly from one side to the other. This careful approach prevents any damage to your vehicle's finish. Once the adhesive is mostly cut, carefully peel off the emblem. You might need to use the fishing line a bit more for stubborn spots. Next, apply your automotive adhesive remover to any remaining glue on the hood. Let it sit for a minute or two, then gently rub the area with a clean microfiber cloth to lift away all the residue. For the final touches, clean the entire area thoroughly with a good detailing spray to remove any lingering residue or smudges. To protect your newly exposed paint, apply a quality wax or sealant. This will help maintain its shine and prevent future damage. Remember to check the description below for the Oala water bottle link and other great deals we've found for you. Your truck will look fantastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.